Good morning, children. So today we are going to complete our EVS workbook of lesson number 15. Okay? And tomorrow I will give you the notes which you have to write in the notebook. And day after tomorrow we will start with the new chapter. So let's get back with our work. All of you take out EVS workbook, page number 69. Okay, so let's start. Here in the very first you can see 1-2 pages we have completed. Okay, now here page number 69. Fifth, identify the preservating methods shown as below. So very first is vacuum packing. Vacuum packing means you all know the food grains. When we buy the food grains from the shop now, they come either loose or they come in a seal pack. That seal pack is called vacuum. Like for example, let us take the example of suji. Okay, semolina suji. It is come in the loose also and it is come in a packet form also. Usually the packet form, from the outside air cannot go inside, and from the inside the air cannot move outside. So it's like a seal pack. Fine. So this is one of the way vacuum packing. The next is drying. Drying means what? The mango. Yes. If you want to make mango powder, how we can make it? Mango is juicy. So what we have to do? We have to first cut into sheets, and then we have to give it, keep it in the sunlight. They get completely dry. Okay. So like this. Papad also. When we make papad, what happened? It is like a first it is not completely dry. Okay. It is like a chapati form, that atta. But once we keep it in the sunlight, what happened? The moisture from the papad, it goes away and it becomes into a something hard structure which can be preserved for a long time. Done? Like for roti, we can't go and we can't have it for 3-4 days, that same roti. No. So that's it. Now next is freezing. As I said, example, freezing means what? When we keep the vegetables outside, they doesn't long last. Okay, 2 or 3 days, that's it. After that they start decaying. But if we kept in fridge, what happened? They are fresh for a long time. Okay, next is pickling. Pickling means what? Achar, best example. Yes. So that achar, all the vegetables are kept in what? They are kept in oil. They are soaked in oil. In achar only oil is used. Okay. So this oil is also when the vegetables are soaked in oil, what happens? Oil, spices, it remains fresh for a long time, and we can have it, that pickle, throughout the year. Okay, the next is canning. Canning means just this is also one kind of like vacuum packing only. Similar. Like for example, when the mother is bringing rice, okay, what does she do? She before keeping into any kind of container, what she do? She first sprinkles some kind of powder, okay, boric powder, whatever powder she use. Either she adds some medicines into it, so that it will be a lot of medicines, a lot of powders are coming in the are there in the medical shop. Yes. So they are used just for the food grains to keep remain for long time, for the fresh long time. Okay, that's it. Now let's move towards our next page number 69. Okay, the very first question is, why did Vaishali father sell the previous day vegetable first? Because they might get spoiled. Suppose if for example at your house also mother has brought apple, okay, and after 4 days father is also bringing that same apple, what you will do? You will first complete the before one now that mother has brought, first complete that, and then we will go to the thing which the father has brought. So why does we do like this? Because if we are not going to use the previous day vegetable first, they may get spoiled. Okay, next. How can we identify a spoiled fruit or vegetable? The very first is by looking their appearance. Fresh ones, they look very fresh. They look greenish in color. Okay, and if they are not fresh, what happens? They look pale, like pale kind of appearance, wrinkled. Wrinkle appearance means pale appearance. If like for example, leaves. Yes, the spinach leaves. If they look fresh, yes, they are fully greenish in color, and you can fine. So because it is of wrinkle appearance. Then next is smell. Some kind of vegetables have a foul smell. For example, tomato. When it is not fresh now, they are having a kind of a smell. Then change in the color change also. Fresh will look greenish in color, and if they are not fresh, the shade of green can appear. Okay. So next, what will happen if Vaishali father is late to bazaar? Okay, if he is late to bazaar, what happened? The buyer, which customer, buyer, whatever, who are buying the vegetables from this Vaishali's father, if he is not there, what they will do? They will buy the vegetable from the different one, and this Vaishali father, he will not be able to earn his livelihood. Fine. So these are the question answers. Complete till this much.